Buenos días, mis chicos. Ok, lo que va a pasar es que ustedes tienen que hacer un poquito de tarea, pero tienen 2 días para hacerlo. So what's going on? You have to do a little homework, but you have 2 days to do it. Why did I give you 2 days? Because you need to study for your test. You need to study for your test. So when you look at this, you're going to say, oh, wow, I only have to do 12 translations. Cool. I can play Minecraft or whatever the new thing is right now. No, you can't. Study your vocab. You have to study. All of you have to study. Okay. So what do you have to do on this homework sheet? I'll show you what you have to do. As usual, I would have given you a ton of resources. You don't have to really look outside of this assignment in order to accomplish this. And hopefully some of you are getting advanced enough that you can do this without having to look at all of the reference stuff. So you are working with verbs. I'm running out of things to name these online assignments. It takes a long time to learn how to conjugate verbs and be good at it. So we're still doing it. Totally normal. We're going to have to be doing it all year long. If you take Spanish 2, you'll be doing it next year, and then we'll add other tenses. So this just doesn't go away. And at this point, I wouldn't expect that you're like great at it. But some of you ought to be getting a little more competent. So what do you have to do? Well, you have to, that was dumb. I made the lines. Don't want to do that. Okay. You should be able to say mom eats at this point. You know how to say mom. So mama. And if you are in such bad shape that you don't know how to say mom, then you can scroll. Oh, there's all the family. So if you don't know the word for mom, study your vocab. The test is on Wednesday. But it is there at the bottom, so you can scroll if you need to. My mom eats pizza. Mi mamá, so you're going to find the infinitive up here. It's comer. Gosh, I hope some of you know that by now. So you're typing, she eats. Okay, so we have comer. Back up here, step 1, drop the last 2 letters. My mom eats. You ought to know that ending. You should know what comes next. If you don't, then scroll down. Mom is a she, right? So she's this spot in the verb box. Comer is an ER verb, so you're finding this spot under ER. You're going to put an E on it. So, mamá come pizza. Silly boys and girls, don't ask me how to say pizza in Spanish. You don't. We all use the Italian word. Just like you and I eat tacos from Taco Bell or La Senorita or whatever you like. That's the Spanish word. Everybody uses it. All right, so I just wanted to navigate a little bit through this document. I'll probably change the first question now so that I haven't done it for you since you have 2 days to do all this. So that you scroll. There's family. There is Sayola vocab. There's subject pronouns and endings. The only thing I didn't give you is possession and I didn't make anything too terribly hard there, so you ought to be fine. So let's see. I'm going to change this one to not mom. Well, somebody's got to eat something. Let's have it be you. Let's say you eat pizza. You should be able to fix it from there. Should be able to do it, people. Okay. Hasta luego, chicos. Estudia. Study.